Are you ready to transform your real estate business from a whirlwind of chaos to a streamlined success story? Then buckle up, because in the next minute and a half, we're diving deep into CINC Pro, the ultimate upgrade to the CINC platform, designed to unlock unprecedented productivity and propel your business forward. First things first, let's explore the enhanced reporting features. Notice the interactive dashboards. These provide a tagline insights into your key performance indicators, or KPIs. Click on any chart element to drill down and analyze the data in more detail. Next, we'll investigate lead management. CINC Pro takes lead nurturing to a whole new level. Implement lead scoring to prioritize your most promising prospects and automate follow-up sequences to ensure no lead falls through the cracks. You can customize these sequences based on lead behavior and engagement. Teamwork makes the dream work, and CINC Pro facilitates seamless collaboration. Assign tasks to team members, track progress, and maintain clear communication logs, all within the platform. This ensures everyone stays on the same page and projects are completed efficiently. CINC Pro plays well with others. Explore the extensive integration capabilities with other essential real estate tools and platforms. This eliminates data silos and streamlines your workflows, saving you valuable time and effort. Lastly, don't forget to customize CINC Pro to fit your unique business needs. From custom fields to personalized branding, tailor the platform to reflect your brand and streamline your specific processes. So, there you have it. CINC Pro empowers you with advanced tools and insights to optimize your business performance. Start exploring its features today and unlock your full potential. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more CINC Pro tips and tricks.